This is everything you'll need to know to glaze your windows. Hi, my name's Emma. Glazing your windows can not only help reduce condensation, but can also help keep warm and cool air inside. It's a win-win really, so let's get into it. Right off the bat, we first need to clean the area from any dust and debris using a microfiber cloth. We're now going to use the double-sided tape to stick this on the edges of the window frame. In order for us to cut the adhesive film to size, we need to measure the width and length of the window frame. Now that we've got the total, it's time to cut the film to size using scissors. Before we stick the film on, we need to remove the paper on the double-sided tape to reveal the sticky side. Now starting at the top, we're going to stick the first two corners of the film onto the window. Try to get this as straight as possible so you have a clean look. A good tip to remove the wrinkles from the film is to use a heat gun or hairdryer. And there you have it, brand new glazed windows. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.